Neville Goddard's teaching summarized in 5 simple points. Point number 1. Take responsibility for your life. Quit blaming others. You are all there is. Everything is you, pushed out. Your current circumstances are a result of your past thinking. Only you can help yourself. Don't look to others or God for help. All the help you need is within you. Quoting Neville, there is no God outside of yourself. Point number 2. Work on one idea, one thought. Concentrate and focus your attention on one thought. If you are thinking, I am rich, then just focus on this one thought and feel it in your mind. Where will you live, shop, and what will you see and experience? Feel it and watch mentally how other streams of thoughts flow out of this concentrated thought. Learn to feel that prosperous state in your mind, the state of you already having and possessing what you desire. Think from the end. Think it till that thought pattern becomes natural to you. Point number 3. It's now or never. What you want, you must think and feel it now. Thinking about what you want is postponing your desire. You do not think about what you already have. You feel and enjoy what you already have. It's now or never. Never ask when it will come. If you are asking, it's not coming. You are still not understanding the law governing manifestation. Like Neville was told, don't ask how to get to Barbados if he is already in Barbados. He was told to walk down the streets of New York City like it is in Barbados. Feel you already have it mentally and live in that realm. It may seem hard at first, but slowly and surely you will get it, and it will become natural to you. What you need is just a rearrangement of the mind and how to think from the end. Point number 4. Learn to be quiet and still. That's what getting into the silence means. Don't try to bring results. Trying inwardly or mentally to get it indicates you don't have it. You don't want to get it. You already have it. Don't be anxious, as anxiety indicates fear. Be courageous. Quiet your mind and body and feel that you have it mentally. You mentally thinking about it will not cause it to happen. Only when you think, convince your mind that you already have it and feel it, then things begin to shift in the 3D world for you. Be still and know that I am God. Stillness is underrated. Before you can know, you must learn to be still. We are always kept in a busy loop, thinking that our efforts and hard work will bring deliverance. Learn to quiet your body and mind. Quoting Hebrew 4:11, let us labor into rest. The only labor that is required of you is to labor into rest. All your efforts only have one end goal, to enter into rest. Rest is the end state. Do deep breathing exercises to relax. Always enter into a state of deep rest and passivity before you meditate. Point number 5. Be disciplined to build your mental muscle. Mental muscle is like any muscles in our body. Use it and it developed. Neglect it and it becomes weak. You must train it consistently with discipline and focus. Consistency is key. Quoting Neville, no one who plays the piano well does it only once. It takes lots of practice. The same goes for learning to meditate and building mental muscles. Take time off from the phone and friends to remind yourself of your goals daily. Don't concern yourself with all the news and social media gossip that does not add to your well-being. Get rid of the addiction and the urge to respond to every message and news. Learn to be alone, love yourself, and meditate on the end state. Put all your attention on changing yourself mentally so that you can manifest your dream life. That's it. Thanks for watching and listening. I hope this is helping you. Never stop listening, learning, and putting what you learn into practice. You can find more content on my website link. My goal is always to create content that will lift up and help those in need. If you like this clip, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.